Hi everyone, May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft at Piedmont Triad International Airport. Now folks, this is our specialty. Only the finest pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. So today, she's a 1990 A36 in beautiful condition. So many great features you're gonna love. Let's get started. So let's talk about your engine. Teledyne Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engine. You can see we have the new Millennium cylinders, only $275 on the engine since Western Skyways major overhaul. And check out your beautiful Scimitar prop, only $275 on the prop since prop overhaul. So as you can see, this airplane is gorgeous, beautifully maintained, excellent maintenance, well equipped. Yes, we have color radar on board, and the wing Spar AD does not apply to this particular aircraft. The exterior of this A36 is stunning. Matterhorn white with vivid red and Aristo blue. Folks, the paint was brand new in 2009, and today it's in excellent condition. 4,345 hours total time on the airframe since new. There are some wonderful upgrades to this interior. We'll show you a closer look in just a moment, but let's talk about the large double cargo doors we love about the A36. And the seating configuration, you know, it's versatile. Everyone can sit in the club seating executive configuration, or everyone can face forward. We can even remove a seat, and what's so great about it, I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, remove a pin, and I can remove the seat. We're good to go. So come on in, let me show you the interior. It's in great condition, folks. Beautiful taupe leather seats, gorgeous blue and tan carpet. The sidewalls, the headliner, all redone in 2009, look brand new to me. Beautiful executive writing desk. We have an intercom system, shoulder harnesses for everyone, G&D tinted window inserts, factory air conditioning, lots to love. So let's check out the flight deck. You'll enjoy an EFIS glass panel. It's an Aspen EFD 1000 primary flight display. You'll enjoy a Garmin 530 GPS Navcom with WAAS, also a Garmin 650 GPS Navcom with WAAS. We have color weather radar on board with Norton radome. We have a Garmin MFD and color radar display. Your transponder is a Garmin GTX 327. We have active traffic, it's Avidyne TCAS. We have Garmin GDL 88 ADSB in and out. XM weather requires subscription. XM and ADSB is displayed on the 530 and 650. We do have a Stormscope weather avoidance on board. And your Autopilot is a King KFC 150 Autopilot with altitude pre-select and vertical speed select. Now the Autopilot is integrated to the Aspen with GPSS steering. Also, we have an angle of attack feature on board. Other features you will enjoy: factory air conditioning, 3-blade Scimitar prop, Flight Stream 210 Bluetooth, window trim is leather wrapped. We have Rosen sun visors, synthetic vision, EFIS standby attitude indicator, G&D tinted window inserts, GPI EDM 700 engine monitor with fuel flow, leather wrapped control wheels, angle of attack feature, and more. This 1990 A36, she's available to fly you away. Folks, so many great features here. Beautiful paint and interior, redone in 2009, but they look brand new to me. On the engine, only 275 hours since major overhaul. Same with the prop. We have a beautiful flight deck, angle of attack feature. We have factory air conditioning, color radar. Yeah, you need to give us a call right away because she's not going to last. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft. We'd love to meet you. And yes, you need to know Bonanza Skull. It's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you A36. So come see us, take a test drive. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler. Thank you so much for watching.